Hello everyone in YouTube world. This is Gracie and we're having a good day. It's a nice snow day. It's very snowy. We got our birds out here eating. It's pretty seeing them in the snow. You can hear them chirping out there. But yeah, I just did a video a little while ago of outside. It is really heavy snow out there. I had to go and pound the snow off of some of my pine trees because they were starting to bend. You can kind of see right there. But yeah, what a day. They closed almost, I think, all the schools in Michigan. But yeah. There we go, guys. There's a pretty. There we go. Hello. Hi, guys. Hello. Eat. There's a purple finch. Another purple finch. We have a lot of birds today. I gotta keep cleaning. Oh, sorry, guys. I gotta keep cleaning those yellow ones off because. Hi, guy. Hello. They're like, let me eat. But it's really cool outside. See that tree? It's very pretty. And this tree, it's like ice crystals. Hi, buddy. It's okay. The morning dove. There's a purple finch. And another purple finch. Oh, they're so pretty. And a mourning dove. Yeah, we're just sitting here and basically feel like we're getting snowed in. We're not used to the snow. It's not too cold, but it's just crazy weather. Look at this big pine tree we have out there. That is full of heavy snow. Hi, guy. Hello. It's okay. And there's Gracie. Scaring the birds away. Yeah, but we're just taking it easy today. And I think we got juncos out here, back there. Okay, I'm going to get out of the window now, guys, because the birds are getting disturbed. Here's a pretty bird. I think that's a junco. I think. No, that's a sparrow. But those are black and white out there. Woo! It's making Gracie meow funny. Are you meowing? Gracie girl. Are you watching the birds? What are you doing? That's a pretty female cardinal out there. And a male cardinal. How pretty is that? Yeah, anybody in these snowstorms, I hope they're being careful out there. Got some birds out there too. Underneath the picnic table, hopefully the food stays a little drier under there. Hey, little guys. There's some sparrows. And some more sparrows over there. At least we know they're going to eat and be warm tonight. There's Gracie looking at the birds.